Hey guys, I just got done grading your DBQs and I thought it might be useful to make a quick video on what I'm really looking for your future DBQs. So DBQ does stand for a document-based question. Okay, so you guys had a question about whether or not Jackson should be on the $20 bill. A lot of your essays were wonderful. They were great argumentative essays, but they were missing some of the documents in there. And so this is just a really good example of a paragraph for proper DBQ writing and what I'm looking for, so that you guys know in the future what you should be doing. However, I will say you can use external sources such as the World Book or Encyclopedia or other online sources to help establish that relative background knowledge, like who was Andrew Jackson and all that good stuff. So some of you guys really did a good job on using those sources, but you were missing the primary sources in here. So let's just take a read of this paragraph together. This will only take a minute or so. This person was against Jackson being on the 20, and they kind of focus on Native American removal in this paragraph. So it says, document J and K is the main reason why Andrew Jackson does not deserve to be on the $20 bill. Following his racist instincts, Jackson used his power to have the authority to force Native Americans away from their land, all because he wanted to expand his own territory. Right, great little intro sentence here that we're going to be talking about Native American removal. He wrote a letter to Congress first, document J, right? So they introduce the source that's going to be used, explaining to him that Native Americans were causing problems on their land and that they needed to follow the laws if they wanted to stay in the states, right? So a good overall summary of document J. The Native Americans later wrote, document K, that they could not leave the soil which contains the ashes of our beloved men. We wish to live on the soil we wish to die, right? So using direct quotes, right? Direct quotes from the document is really, really useful in backing up your argument. They refused to leave the states, which led to Andrew Jackson becoming even more desperate than before to get rid of him, leading to one of the most disgusting acts in history, the Trail of Tears, or in other words, the act of forcing the Native Americans out of the states, not caring if they died throughout the long and harsh journey, all under Jackson's command. So this whole paragraph here, he used two of the sources, really backed up the reasoning of their argument of why Jackson should not be on the 20. It used direct quotes, right? But then it also had the student's own analysis as to why that quote backs up their answers. So that's kind of what I'll be looking for on future DBQs. So just kind of take that information as you're reading the feedback from me when you're looking at your assignment. Have a great rest of your week, guys.